Imagine you're having a crucial virtual meeting. You're making a presentation, discussing important details, and everything seems to be going smoothly. But then you suddenly realize you forgot to record the session. Ever found yourself in a situation like this? It's a frustrating experience, especially when the meeting contains valuable information you need to refer back to. Today, we're going to delve into a common question that arises when using RingCentral for virtual meetings. Can RingCentral record your screen? Before we dive into the answer, let's understand why screen recording is important in the first place. Importance of screen recording. Screen recording serves several purposes. Capturing key points. It helps you preserve important information discussed during meetings, presentations, or tutorials. Creating training materials. You can use recorded sessions to create training materials for your team or clients. Resolving disputes. If any misunderstandings arise, a recording can provide evidence of what was said and done. Legal documentation. In certain cases, screen recordings can serve as legal documentation. RingCentral's screen recording capabilities. Now, let's get to the main question. Can RingCentral record your screen? Unfortunately, RingCentral doesn't have a built-in feature for screen recording. This means you'll need to use a third-party screen recording tool to capture your RingCentral meetings. Recommended third-party tools. Here are some popular and reliable options. OBS Studio, a free and open-source software that offers advanced features for screen recording and live streaming. Camtasia, a user-friendly tool with a wide range of editing features for creating professional-looking videos. QuickTime Player, a built-in app on macOS that can record your screen with basic settings. Windows 10 Game Bar, a convenient option for Windows users that allows you to record your screen with a simple shortcut. Using third-party tools with RingCentral. To use a third-party tool with RingCentral, follow these general steps. 1. Open the tool. Launch your chosen screen recording software before starting your RingCentral meeting. 2. Configure settings. Adjust the settings to capture the desired area of your screen and audio. 3. Start recording. Begin recording when the meeting starts. 4. Stop recording. Once the meeting is over, stop the recording and save the file. Additional tips for screen recording. Here are some tips to ensure high-quality recordings. Check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for smooth recording. Optimize audio settings. Adjust your microphone and speaker settings for clear audio. Consider video quality. Choose a suitable resolution and frame rate based on your needs. Edit your recordings. Use editing software to remove unnecessary parts and enhance the final video. While RingCentral itself doesn't provide screen recording functionality, you can easily achieve this by using third-party tools. By following the steps and tips mentioned, you can effectively capture your RingCentral meetings and utilize the recordings for various purposes. Remember, screen recording is a valuable tool for preserving information, creating training materials, and resolving disputes. So, don't hesitate to incorporate it into your RingCentral workflow. Have you ever faced challenges with screen recording during your RingCentral meetings? Share your experiences and ask any questions in the comments below. We're here to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.